Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
For this operation, get hold of the diesel fuel filter that you will find in the video description. Turn off the ignition, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You can now see the diesel filter, which is located in the lower left-hand corner of the engine compartment. Take off the engine cover. With adjustable pliers, compress the two edges of the clamping clip to free them from their hold. Then move them along the fuel inlet and outlet hoses. With a small flathead screwdriver, finish by removing the hoses from the diesel filter. Position the hoses so that the fuel contained in them doesn't flow out. Take a liquid collector for the diesel that will flow out of the filter. You can learn how to make one by watching another of our videos, How to make a collector for liquids. Separate the holding studs from the filter to free it. Remove the filter from its housing.
Please support us. Subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Take the new filter and remove the caps on the hoses. Put them onto the old filter to avoid spilling the diesel contained in the cartridge. Insert the new filter, pushing it downwards. Be careful to position it correctly. The tubes must face the hoses. Put the first hose back in place. Since your vehicle is not equipped with a primer pump, it is vital to pre-fill the filter before starting your car. Take a primer pump and a container filled with diesel. Connect the flexible outlet tube of your primer pump to your diesel filter. Insert the inlet tube from the primer pump into your diesel container. Then, repeatedly squeeze the pump to fill the filter. Stop the process when the filter is full. Once the filter has been pre-filled, reconnect the second hose using adjustable pliers. Lock the hose properly in position with a clamping clip. Put the engine cover back on. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.